Today I'll be showing you on how to replace a fuse on a Ford Edge. This model is a 2014 one, so it'll be the same with the first generation facelift version. In this car, the passenger seat is not working. None of the controls work. So since all the buttons are not working, I suspect it's a fuse problem. So as you can see, the driver's seat is working, but the passenger seat is not working. Next, we'll check if all the electrical wires are still properly connected or no. Everything seems fine. Can even give them a gentle tug just to cross check. If you have doubts, you can always refer to the other seat which is working and just cross check. Now that we check the electrical wires are properly connected, we'll see if current is passing through the seat or no using a multimeter. Basically, when current is passing, it's going to make a beep sound, and we're just gonna connect it to any of the wires in the seat. Like, you can hook it up here or here. I'll be hooking it up here. As you can see, there's no beep sound, so it means there's no current passing through the seat and it's a fuse problem. Exact same even if the power lift gate is not working. Use the owner's manual or download it online and search for fuses. This is the compartment fuse panel, which is located right here, and search for passenger seat. It's not there, so then we'll go to the main fuse box, and in this right here, number 42 is the passenger seat, and this is the rating of the fuse. So 42 is right here. So now we'll open the main fuse box, which is located below the engine bonnet. To open the engine bonnet, pull the bonnet thing further and in the center, pull it, get the camera close. Pull this thing to the right, this, and just left. You're supposed to pull this to the right once the bonnet opens. And the fuse box is located here. You're just supposed to pull these two tabs and it comes. To remove the battery, but it's fine even if it's there. And we had seen that number 42 is for the passenger seat and it's the center, fourth one. So we'll come to the center, and the fourth fuse, we'll just pull it out. To pull it out, hold it from the sides like this and just, it's a little bit tough, but wiggle it out. Slowly, and it came out. Now you can see the fuse wires are actually fused. I'll remove the top plastic so that you can see it more closely. See, the connection over here and over here is no more, so it means this fuse is bad. Now if you don't have a new fuse right on hand, we can go through the manual and find something which is not important or it might be extra. Like, this car doesn't have climate control seat. It's got climate control but not control seat, so you can remove that particular fuse. Or if we go to the passenger compartment fuse, many times there'll be a spare not used fuse, so you can use that one only. So frequent problem, like in this car the fuse is blown more than 4 times. So you can just take a copper wire and run it around it so that it bypasses the fuse. It's not recommended, but it happens so frequently in this car, we decided to do it. So now take the replacement fuse and again in the same location just press it hard. You hear that click sound and it's done. And now we'll check for this seat if it's working or not. We'll see if the seat is working or not. Moment of truth, and it works. To get to the passenger compartment fuse panel, it's located right beside the brake pedals over here.
Yeah, it's seen.
So now unlock it, we pull the strap towards us, and first like this up, and then it'll just slide up. And now to remove the fuse box, there are 2 tabs, one over here and one over here. Press these two, they're opposite to each other, and it'll come out like this. Then you get access to the fuse and the holder. The clip removal tool is here, so using this you can just go to any clip and clip it and press, and it'll come out like this. Enough.